New York, October 1929. Wall Street has never been richer, and tomorrow it all comes crashing down. Everyone here believes the good times will never end. Money is easy, and the market only goes up. What you're about to see is a reconstruction, based on real history, the last day before the world's richest party ended. Stock tickers everywhere. Everyone's watching the numbers climb. Even the shoeshine boy is giving me stock tips.
Sure thing, miss. That should have been the warning.
Maids, drivers, waiters, everyone's buying, everyone's getting rich, or so they think. Inside, they crowd around the board, watching their fortunes grow by the minute. The trading floor. Chaos, shouting, paper flying, and everyone's certain it'll last forever. Most of it is borrowed money. They're betting everything they don't even have. Then, a whisper. A broker frowns at the ticker. Something's wrong. The numbers stop climbing. And for the first time, the room goes quiet. They don't know it yet. But I do. This is the last calm moment they'll ever have. And then it breaks. The ticker can't keep up. Everything is falling at once. 16 million shares, dumped in a single day. Fortunes vanishing by the second. Outside, a crowd gathers, silent, watching their savings disappear. Men who were millionaires this morning have nothing by the afternoon. No shouting now, just stunned faces and the sound of a world ending. Everything they built, gone in a few hours. And it's only the beginning. This isn't just a bad day. This is the start of the Great Depression. The richest street on earth, and now nobody's smiling. In the years to come, this will spread. Banks will close. Millions will lose everything. The champagne of this morning becomes the breadlines of tomorrow. They thought the party would never end. It always feels that way. Every boom, every empire, every golden age feels eternal from the inside. And every one of them ends on a single ordinary afternoon, just like this one.